Hey y'all, it's Day, and I keep saying I'm gonna do new things with my YouTube channel and never do it, but this is the start of something new with my YouTube channel. I want to do more than hair. I feel like I have talents outside of hair. If you follow me on any other platform other than YouTube, you know I got a voice for more than just hair. Not even just beauty, but just I got a voice, and I'm gonna start using it. But gonna be doing something totally different today and bringing you guys a Halloween tutorial, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you guys rock with me throughout some of the changes I'm gonna be making. If you have some suggestions for some things you want to see on my channel outside of hair, go ahead, head down to the comment box and let me know. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've already done my foundation and brows, and I'm gonna take this white grease makeup, I think that's what it's called, but it's like $2 from Party City near the clown makeup section, and I just spread this all over my face with my finger, trying not to stab myself in the eye. Then I blend it with a beauty blender, and I'm putting it under my eye, a little bit on my nose and on my forehead, and I'm applying it a little bit at a time and building up as I go because I don't want it to be too white and exaggerated because I'm still new to this makeup stuff. Next, I take this white NYX jumbo pencil and I draw my nose and the snout, I think it's called the snout, or whatever the little area is that the whiskers go. Then I go ahead and put some on my lids and blend my face with this with my fingers. The bit on my nose and on my eye, I'm going to be putting pink over later, so the white underneath is just going to make the pink pop more against my brown skin. Oh, and like I said, I'm new to this makeup stuff, so this makeup look is about to be mad easy, by the way, because I'm still a newbie and I actually just started practicing makeup in June. So if I'm not saying something right or applying it right, oh well, just roll with it, you know what I mean. And now I'm going to apply some setting powder from Sephora, and this made the grease makeup less greasy, and this the shiz naive for us little oily babies, you know what I'm saying, like when your skin, you've been outside 5 seconds, it's hot, and you look like you was just doused in oil. This is for us. Now I'm going to add some color back to my face with this contour stick from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Pretty sure that ain't the right brush, and pretty sure that wasn't the right name, but yeah. I'm going to use the box of crayons palette from the Crayon case by Super Scent. If you don't follow her on Instagram, you need to because she's freaking hilarious. And I'm going to do that to go ahead and color in my face. These products are black owned too, by the way. I forgot to say that. And on top of that, they're super pigmented. So I recommend everybody try these products. Black owned, super pigmented, and they're inexpensive. So go copy some. I'll have the link in the description box. So I add the pink to my nose and my lids, and I meant to add some to my cheeks, but I forgot. Then I added some brown in the same palette to the top of the pink area just to kind of blend it out with my skin. I'd be so paranoid about sharp contrast and looking like a clown. So yeah, if you guys want to go heavier for a more exaggerated look than I did, definitely go ahead. You can pack on more white to get a brighter colored pink, and you can pack on more white around like your eyes and your head and everything to make the rabbit face jump out more, but I'd be scared. So yeah, the more I do makeup though, and the more people hype me up about it, the more I feel comfortable being heavy-handed because I think I do a good job blending. So, you know, as I get better at it, I'll go more heavy-handed. almost done. Just gotta make my face pop a little bit more, and I'm gonna start off with that Jumbo NYX pencil and go ahead and put some on my under eye to make them look a little bigger. Then I use a NYC pencil from CVS to line my lash line. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pat some more of that pink and purple I put on my upper eyelid on my bottom to kind of bring the color down and make them pop a little bit more. And I know this kind of seems all over the place, but whatever, this is my first one. This is what I did. So I jumped ahead down and went ahead and did my top lip so it can go ahead and dry before I put the bottom lip gloss on. And this is Keisha Kayor's Liquid Matte, which is also black owned. And say what you want to say about Keisha Kayor, her lipstick is some of the best lipstick ever. Like, I think hands down this is the most long lasting lipstick I ever tried. Like, I be struggling to take it off. Like, you can eat, drink, talk, have a whole night of shenanigans, and this lipstick is not budging. And back to that NYC pencil again, the black one. I'm gonna use that to add follicle holes for the whiskers. Then I line my eyes using the Fenty Beauty Cause I'm Black Fly Liner. And no, I didn't make that up, that's the actual name. And I do the whiskers next with the eyeliner, and I actually liked how the eyeliner looks on my whiskers instead of that pencil liner. It just looks so much better with the liquid liner for whiskers because it's more crisp and looks more realistic. And I'm just gonna finish it out now. The mascara I'm using is Big Shot by Maybelline, the waterproof one. On my lower lip, I am doing the Lipbar's Pink Tinted Lip Gloss, which is also black owned. Then I finish it up with the Urban Decay setting spray, and that's it. Okay, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. Let me know what else you guys want me to do with my channel besides hair, because like I said, I'm just ready to do more with my channel. So yeah, until next time, bye y'all.